Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to integrate Jotforms with Go for Clients. And specifically, we're going to trigger an internal email notification to our sales team or to our marketing team. And also, we're going to auto respond via an SMS to our leads. So let's go straight into this. I want to log in into my Go for Clients account. But before I do anything within Go for Clients, I want to make sure that you recognize that this is the Jotform dashboard. I already have my form created. So I'm going to go into that form. I'm going to go ahead and say edit form, because this is where we're going to work. And here's that form. Very simple. I have my logo. I imagine you already have all this. And the important thing is that you access the settings. And within settings, you want to go to integrations right here on the left-hand side. And in integrations, we're going to choose webhooks. And if you don't have anything, you can create a new webhook. Or if you already have one, you can edit it. And so this is where we're going to work. Let's keep it right here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. We're not going to need it. We're going to create a new one. Perfect. So let's go back to Go for Clients. Here in Go for, what I want to do is I want to access my drips. I could go here through the toolbar on the upper right hand side, or right here from this icon, form automation. As I said, we're going to use today SMS and an email notification, but as you can see, we offer a lot of templates that you could use for other uses. Let's go ahead and focus on this one. Just click on use. Let's quickly create the initial settings. It is going to be triggered from a webhook. We're going to use my work email as the sender's email for that notification. And then for the SMS number, go ahead and choose a number provided to you by Go for Clients once you request it. Click on Build Drip. This is what I love about Go for Clients. It provides you with templates that are ready to use. All you have to do is very quickly create some settings. Let me go ahead and remove this SMS box. I'm only going to send one SMS today. So let's leave it like this and follow the instructions. It says click start here. Let's do that. The first step, it gives us the URL for the webhook. We're going to copy that and we're going to bring it over to the settings section, the webhooks field that I showed you before, and just say complete integration. Very quickly, Jotform is going to say that that integration is ready. Go ahead and click finish. Let's go back to Go for really quickly. Next step. And you can see that Go for is now waiting for data. It's waiting to see if that integration has been successful. So to do that, we have to publish information. Let's go quickly back to the form. And here, let's just say to publish that form. We're going to open that in a new tab. And here's that form. So let's play around with it. To send out the phone number, we require the country code. So that's why I have that form with 11 digits. And would you like a demo? I'm going to say just yes here, just for this example. When I submit that information and I go back to Go for Clients, you see that immediately I have a pop-up that says that integration has been successful. And this field has turned green, showing that the data has been received. So that's amazing. We can go to the final step, which is the mapping of the fields, associating the fields from your form with the fields that Go for Clients needs to both send that notification, that email notification that we want to send to our team, and also that external SMS, that auto response SMS that I want to send to the lead. So right here, the mapping happened automatically. Jotform is really helpful with that. But in case you wouldn't know, like for example, this field right here, the message field, if I wouldn't know where that is coming from because it's not very clear, I could click on see data right here and I could go ahead and very quickly look where that's coming from. So I said, do you want a demo? And I said yes. And so here it is, would you? So they call it the Q19, would you? And so I can do that. I can go ahead and map and say, well, the message, I want to bring it from the Q19. Here it is. I filled it out with yes. So that seems fairly easy. So that's the way you could do that mapping. This C data is really useful for that, to validate how the fields are being associated from the form with Go for Clients. If you need any more tags like this one, you can just click on that plus sign. We have plenty available, many you can customize. And let's just go to actions now. So now it asks for the delay time to trigger the actions, how fast I want to send that notification and that SMS. I always like to work very quickly, so I leave it as soon as. You guys could do whatever you need, minutes, days, hours. It's very flexible. Just remember that there's a stat that says that reaching out to a lead a day after they have contacted you reduces the probability of that lead becoming a customer by 60 times. And if you just wait an hour, it still reduces that probability by 7 times. So the name of the game is immediacy. What's really going to drive those conversions and increase those sales is contacting them immediately. So that's why I work as soon as. I'm going to leave it like that. Go to the next drip unit. It's the actual SMS. We're going to configure that. It's very simple. What I'm going to do is just show you guys that you can replace all this. You could use our form of tags to personalize. So I can say hi name, click here for more info, and I could create a URL. This would be the URL, and it's driving to Go for Clients. Let me go ahead and just restart that. So click URL. I want to drive that information to goforclients.com. You could put here whatever URL site you want. And that's it, guys. It's ready to roll. So the next step is configuring that notification. I'm going to click on that unit. It's a notification. As I said, we're going to send this via email today. You could send it via SMS as well, via voice call, but we're going to go ahead and leave it email. I'm going to use my work email so that we receive it there. You could change anything here. You could say, for example, hey, you have a new lead. Let's just put it a little bit better. And you could actually change the design if you want it of that email just by clicking. You could access the different templates that we provide for you. Here they are. Or if you already have pre-designed something else, you can use it as well. I'm happy with my selection, so I just click on back, and I am going to go ahead and just, no more drip units. I'm just going to go ahead and save everything. Let's provide it a name. This is the Jotform demo, and I'm going to save and activate it. Perfect, guys. That's how easy it was to integrate Go for Clients with Jotforms. And so now let's just go ahead and put it into production. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to my form. I'm going to click on publish here. And I can work on my form. Let's just give it a second right here. Oh, sorry, opening a new tab. And here's that form. So I fill it out once again. Remember, make sure that phone number comes with the country code. We require that for Go for Clients. Would you like a demo? I'm going to say yes, of course. All right, fantastic. So I'm going to play the role of a lead here. I'm going to send that because I'm interested in this company. I want their service, their product. So I'm going to submit that. And as soon as I submit it, that drip should take over. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share my phone screen with you guys. And you can see how quickly I have an SMS already arrived. I'm going to go ahead and open that. And there it is. Hi, Juan. Click here for more info. And as you can see, there's that link. If I click on that link, it goes ahead and redirects me to that website that I wanted to, the Go for Clients site. So amazing how as a lead, I'm being reached out to, I'm being contacted immediately by this company through an SMS, providing me with the information that I requested. This is amazing. Now, the second part was that notification. So now I'm going to play the role of the internal team. I'm going to share with you guys my inbox right here. And as you can see, I also received an email. And this, I could be the sales guy, I could be the marketing person, I could be the contact center, but this fantastic notification is alerting me that I have a new lead, yeah, right? And hey, you have a new lead, just like we changed it on Go for Clients, and it provides me the information. This guy's name is Juan, he provided the email, a phone number, and he says that yes, of course, he wants that demo. So as an internal team, I'm now notified. I know that I have to engage with this lead immediately to close this sales. So I hope you like this. It's super powerful. It's super easy to use. I'll see you next time.